Understanding template terminology. The main function of a template is to bring in information, push out information, and make less typing for anyone involved in clinical data capture. Templates are made up of core components called label, delete, and required markers, quick text, pick lists, letter codes, dot codes, and insert dot codes. Label markers allow you to indicate that there is something in a note where you can free type, or you can press the Tab key on your keyboard to advance through the note without having to click with your mouse. To add a label marker to a note template, click on the Insert menu and then select Label. Delete markers. A delete marker is a special character that will delete a line of text if there is no black text to the right of the marker. The line will delete upon saving the note. To insert a delete marker into a template, click on the Insert menu button and then select Label. Move inside of the label marker and remove the star and replace it with a capital DEL. Required markers are special markers that will force you to place black text to the right of the marker. If you do not, you will be unable to save the note until this is corrected. The above sentence is an example of how a required marker can be added into a progress note. To insert a required marker into a template, click on Insert and Label. Use the arrow key to go inside of the label, remove the star, and add a capital REQ. The label will turn red once the note is saved. Quick text pulls in words, sentences, or entire paragraphs that are commonly used in clinical documentation. Quick text not clicked on will disappear when the note is saved. They may contain any of the core components of a template. The above sentence will become, patient is excused from school for the following reasons. To add a quick text to a template, click on the Insert menu and then Label. Go inside the label and remove the star. Replace it with the quick text name. Then go to Task and Quick Text. This will bring up the Quick Text Dictionary. Click on New. On the Quick Text name line, type in what was just typed on the note in the label marker. In the box below, type in what you would like to see behind the quick text once it is clicked on. Once you are finished, go ahead and click Save, and this will be added into the Quick Text Dictionary. Quick text can have additional quick text built inside of them to allow the user to have more options. Let's go back and edit this Return to School quick text that we just created. We're going to go to Task and Quick Text. We will search for Return to School and select Edit. Instead of only having the option of saying 3 days, we can add in label markers for additional days by clicking on this label button. Insert as many labels as you will need for each quick text. Then go inside of the label markers and make your changes. And then click on Save. Go ahead and close the Quick Text Dictionary. Now, on our note, when we click on the Return to School, you will see that it applies the options of 1, 2, or 3 days to be clicked on. Pick lists are made up of quick text with a common prefix that can be compiled together to make a list of choices to choose from. When the pick list is selected, it will bring up a box with a list of choices behind it. You can use the Control key and your mouse to multi-select items. Once all options are selected, click Insert. Quick text can also contain pick list. When we click on the quick text listed in the note, it will expand and you can see that there are options for the pick list. Click on those lists and click on the option you would like to select and then hit Insert. To add a pick list to a template, click on the Insert, then Label button. Move inside of the carets and remove the star and replace it with the quick text name, followed by 3 dots. This will tell the system to look for anything that starts with locations. Then go to Task and Quick Text. Look up the word locations. As you can see here, the quick text start with the same name but have different endings. To create a new quick text, click on New and type in the quick text name locations with a different ending. Then in the body of the text, type in what you would like it to say and then click Save. Close out of the quick text menu and click on the word locations in the template. When we do so, you will now see the new item that was added. Letter codes are used to pull in information that already exists in the patient chart, such as patient demographics or clinical data. All letter codes are structured in capital letters and surrounded by the pipe symbol. The shown example would replace the codes with the patient's first name and last name when used inside of a chart. Dot codes are special codes that can be used to push or pull information to or from sections of the chart. They must always be left aligned and on their own line. The shown example are dot codes that will push information out from the progress note to the appropriate fields in the chart. Dot codes that are used to pull information in from other sections of the chart are called insert dot codes. These codes, when embedded into a template, would pull the information into the note from the section of the chart. Like normal dot codes, these must be left aligned and on their own line. The examples shown will insert allergies, medications, major problems, and past medical history. For more videos like this, or to get the handout that goes along with the training, please visit our chsalerts.com website. If you need any further training, please contact us at 800-250-8687 or put in a support request to support@mailchs.com.